To solve this exponential equation, 3 power twice x plus 2 plus 27 power x plus 1 is equal to 36. Find the value of x is equal to what? So according to exponential rules, we know that a to the power n plus m is equal to a to the power n times a to the power m. If I follow these rules, this time I can say here is 3 power twice x times 3 power 2 plus 27 power x plus 27 power 1 is equal to 36. Now 3 power twice x times 3 power 2 is equal to 9 plus 27 like as 3 power 3 bracket power is x times 27 power 1 is equal to 27. I just move on this 36 in left side, so we are find out minus 36 is equal to 0. Now look, here is 9 is common, so 9 if I divide by 9, so we are find out here is 3 power twice x plus this divide 9, we are find out 27 divide 9 is equal to 3 times this is 3 power 3 times x equal to 3x minus 36 divide 9 is equal to 4 is equal to 0. Now I divide both side 9. Now 9 cancel, so we are find out 3 power twice x plus 3 times 3 power 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now look, here is 3 power x bracket power is 2. According to this exponential rules, a to the power m n is equal to a to the power n bracket m. I follow this exponential rules, so I can say here is 3 times 3 power 3x like as 3 power x bracket 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now let 3 to the power x is equal to a, so I can say here is a square plus 3aq minus 4 is equal to 0. Now 3aq plus a square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now I find out one factor in this equation. So if you think a is equal to 1, this time I can say 3 times 1q plus a square. So this is 1 square minus 4. We know that 3 times 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 minus 4. So I can say here is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So I can say easily a minus 1 is the one factor in this equation. So a minus 1. Now I find out other factor in this equation. So if you want to find out other factor in this equation, so you divide this case, in this case we are find out this factor. So here is 3aq plus a square minus 4. I divide this case in this case, so a minus 1. Now here is 3a square, so 3a square times a is equal to 3aq. Here is plus, this is minus, so minus 3a square times 1 is equal to minus 3a square. Now here is aq, 3aq cancel, so we are find out a square plus 3a square is equal to 4a square minus 4. Now if you think here is 4 square, so this is 4a, so 4a times a is equal to 4a square minus 4a times 1 is equal to 4a. Again change the sign, so this is cancel, we are find out here is 4a minus 4. Now here is 4, I can say 4a times a is equal to 4a and plus minus minus, so this is 4, so this is 0. Now I can say this factor is 3a square plus 4a plus 4, so 3a square plus 4a plus 4. Now we are find out here is two case, so a minus 1 is equal to 0 or 3a square plus 4a plus 4 is equal to 0. Now I can say here is a is equal to 1 and it is a quadratic equation. We know that a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This equation x is minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So if I compare this equation in this equation. This time I can say here is a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 4. Now I can say this equation is a is equal to 2a, a is equal to 2a, a is 3, here is minus b, so b is equal to 4 plus minus square root b square, so b is equal to 4 square minus 4ac, a is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. Now here is a is equal to 2 times 3 is equal to 6 and here is minus 4 plus minus square root b square, so here is 4 square, so 16 minus 4 times 3 is equal to 12, 12 times 4 is equal to 48. So we are find out the value of a is equal to 6 minus 4 plus minus square root minus 32. Now here is a is equal to 6 minus 4 plus minus square root 32 like as 16 times 2 square root minus 1. Now I can say here is a is equal to 6 minus 4 plus minus 4 square root 2 I. You know that square root minus 1 is equal to I. So this is our a below, but it is complex number, it is an imaginary number, so I can't follow this value, it is rejected. I need real value. So our first case is a is equal to 1. Remember that a equal to 3 power x, so I can say here is 3 power x is equal to 1. So 3 power x is equal to 3 power 0, because of that 3 power 0 is equal to 1. So this base are same, so I can say this exponent are equal, so x equal to 0. This is our final answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Goodbye.